Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve a minus b is 8 and a cube minus b cube is equals to 344, and we have to find the value of a and b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So in the first step, I'm considering this is as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So I'm taking equation number first. So a minus b equals 8. Now I'm doing cube both sides. So the value of a minus b whole cube is 8 cube and a cube is 512. Now I'm going to use the identity that is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. So a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Now I'm going to put the values. So a minus b whole cube, I have this equation number 3. So 512 is equals to, and the value of a cube minus b cube is, I'm putting 344 with the help of equation number 2 minus 3ab, and with the help of equation number 1, the a minus b is 8. So 512, if I'll take this 344 to other side, this comes in negative, is equals to negative 3 times 8 is 24, 8. Now if I'm subtracting 512 from 344, so I get 168 equal minus 24, 8. Now I'm dividing both sides by minus 24. So if I'll divide this, I get minus 7. And here AB. So the value of AB is minus 7. Now from here, I'll find the value of A and divide the equation by both sides by B. So the value of A is minus 7 by B. Now I'm putting the value of A in equation number 1. So minus 7 by B minus B equal 8. So if I'll take the LCM, B minus 7 minus B square is equals to 8. I'll multiply both sides by B. And I'm dividing it. So our equation looks like, if I'll take all the terms together, B square plus 8B plus 7 is equals to 0. Now it's look like an quadratic equation. So we are doing middle term split. So we can write it as b square plus 8b plus 7 is equals to 0. So b square plus 7b plus b plus 7 is equals to 0. If I'll take b as common, so b plus 7. And if I'll take 1 as common, so b plus 7 is equals to 0. So either b plus 1 or b plus 7 is equals to 0. Now we have two cases. Case 1, when b plus 1 is equals to 0, the value of b is minus 1. And case 2, when b plus 7 is equals to 0, the value of b is minus 7. Now I'm going to put the values of b as minus 1 and minus 7 in equation number 1. Or here we can use it also in equation number 4. So by putting the value b is equals to minus 1 in equation number 4. So A is equals to minus 7 by B. So A is equals to minus 7 by minus 1. So the value of A is minus 7. And when I'll put the value B is equals to minus 7 in equation number 4, A is equals to minus 7 by B. A is equals to minus 7 divided by minus 7. The value of A is 1. Now we have 4 values, 2 values of A and 2 values of B. When A is minus 7, B is minus 1. And when A is 1, the value of B is minus 7. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Stay tuned. Thank you.